Hey homie, welcome back to my channel Born Hermitage, and today I'm going to challenge myself and I'm going to do makeup using every product which my sisters own. But so let me tell you, first of all, they really don't own so much makeup. Just they have some basic makeup, that to a very less in quantity. So yeah, so that is what challenge. And I'm having this lactocalamine, then lotus cream, then Lakme foundation, eyeliner, some lipsticks. So that's it. And disclaimer, also you will see some kind of jugaad because I don't have that much products or that much material with me. So yeah, you will see some kind of jugaads in this video, and that is what interests you, then please keep on watching this video. Okay, so first I'm going to apply this Lotus Herbals White Glow Cream. It's a matte look all-in-one DD cream. So it has SPF 20 and it's suitable for all skin types. So I'm going to apply this first of all, just as a basic layer. So I'm going to apply foundation also. So before applying foundation, I wanted to use this. This is Lactocalamine Skin Balance Daily Nourishing Lotion, and is useful for oil control. And that cream was just like a basic layer on my skin, just to make all the skin looks some glowy. So I'm going to use this, a little bit amount of this. I'm going to apply on my T-zone area. And remaining I'm going to spread all over my face. I have applied this lactocalamine because it will be useful as basic primer, because it has a little stickiness, so that is going to help us to make our makeup look long lasting. So I'm going to wait for some time to settle it down. After that I'm going to apply foundation on my face. Then it has already set, so I'm going to apply foundation. This is foundation from Lakme and it's in shade Natural Marble. It's useful for fair to whitish skin. So first of all, just shake it well. Then I'm going to pour some foundation. It's liquid, it's very liquid. So I'm going to pour some amount on my back of my hand. Then I'm going to dot that foundation on my face, and after this you will see some jugaad. I don't think it's full coverage. Let's check out. I haven't used this. I have used this in childhood. After that I don't know. So this is my sponge for the day. So this is socks, and I have seen one video on YouTube that this sponge, it means this socks as a sponge works so well. So I'm going to use this. I think I need one more layer just to make it look okay, because it has very light coverage. So I don't know how much you can see, but it has very light coverage. So I'm going to apply one more layer. Also, it's not good. It's being little patchy on skin. So let's go for one more round. Make it look good. going to use that same side of sponge. So let me tell you, this foundation is little bit patchy on some of my area. Already I have dry skin, so it gets dried very fast. So you need to work on particular area and then go for this another part, so it will not get patchy that much. I hope so, but I didn't know about this before, so I went for full face and it gets little patchy in this area. I don't know how much you can see, but it's getting patchy on my skin in this area also. It has very light coverage, so if you want a more like natural look, then you go for this foundation. As you can see, I can totally see my dark circles, so I want to highlight this portion, and I don't have highlighter. Means my sisters don't own any highlighter, so I'm going to use this baby powder, and I'm going to set this foundation only in this area so that it will look little bit okay. This is the drawing brush I'm going to use. It's very weird, but I don't have any brush, any sponge to apply concealer or concealer. I don't have any concealer also, so I'm going to use this. And that is what its challenge is. I can use this as well. Just setting my face. I'm keep it like for some time, and I'm going to do my eye makeup after that. Okay, so now it has set. I'm going to dust off those excess using this sponge only, because I don't have any brush with me. I know it's making my face a lot dry, but I have to do it. Okay. It's not making so much difference, but it's fine. I get some coverage under my eye, and that is good. Okay, so I don't have eyeshadows either, because my sisters don't use eyeshadows. So I'm going to use this one. This is homemade lip balm using a lipstick and E vitamin capsules. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And let's see. So this is the brush from Drawing Stationery. And I'm going to blend this using the same brush. Just going back and forth. both to blend this so that there will not be any harsh lines. I'm going to use this baby powder. Using the baby powder, I'm going to set this eyeshadow. So that's it for my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the same as my blush. I'm using this, I'm going to blend that. I think it is getting blended using fingers easily. And add some powder. Okay, so now I'm going to apply this waterproof eyeliner, which is not waterproof. I have used it already, it's not waterproof, but still we are going to use this. I'm going to apply the same on my eyelashes. And for lower waterline, I'm going to use this kajal. It's from Lakme Iconic Kajal. My sister is there. For lips, I'm going to go with this same lip balm, homemade lip balm cum lipstick, and it has vitamin E. That's the plus point. Okay, so as you guys know, I don't have glitter, but my sister's has this glitter paint. It's in shade pink, so I'm going to use that on my eyes. So next I'm going to apply this golden glitter pen because it is really popping up on my eye. I hope you can see a little difference. I'm going to apply on my Okay, so that's my final look for the day. Okay, so this is my final look using all my sister's makeup material. So I told you already they don't have that much makeup with them, so whatever I have I used it, and this is how it turned out. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, then you know the drill. Like, comment and share. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Born Hermitels, and love you already. Bye bye, see you in the next video.